All right. So here we are. This is a much simpler 2-point perspective house, so I'm going to use it. We could actually start by drawing this box that it's sitting on. And we have a vanishing point on each side of the box. So it's going to go to a vanishing point on each side of your Windows pane. So we're going to start here. It's about this big. And we're going to draw it to both vanishing points. And that's this line and this line. Then the back of it is going to go to those vanishing points as well. So that would be the shape that the house is sitting on. And then we can start right about here and come up and draw this edge of it here. This is not cooperating with me today. We need to make it higher than that. And then again, that side would go to this vanishing point. This side would go to the other vanishing point. Then we cut it off here and say, that doesn't look right. Let's just cut it off. See, it's too far away from the sides. So we'll cut it off here. And this side over here is about here from the side. All right, and those are straight up and down. All right, so that you are confused, I'm going to take out some of these lines right now so that you can see. All right, we can't see that line because it's hidden behind the back of this box. So we'll erase it. We can't see that line because it's hidden across the back of the box, and we'll erase it. And I'm not going to erase really, really good yet. All right, so basically that's this side and this side. And you can see that I probably made it too long, that it's too long this way, that my box is a little more square. So if I was doing this for myself right now, I would start redrawing. All right, so just like the other one, to find the pitch of the roof, we will come back and we'll go back to our shapes and draw an X again. Okay. Hopefully I can actually do that this time. There's the X. And then go straight up from the middle and find the triangle on top of the house. All right, so there is that. And that's this part right there. Now what is happening is the roof is going much further past that triangle shape. So going to the same vanishing point, let's go up above the triangle. It looks like it's going up, an inch or two at least on the birdhouse. So we're going to come up right here and draw that line to the vanishing point. And then you can see it's going past the edge. So I'm going to come down here, draw the edge of the roof here. See how far it's going past the hedge to the vanishing point. Probably be easier if we come out right away past the edge. So there it is. It's that far past the edge there. And here it is here. It's that far past the edge there. And that is that line and that line. And then we come up to the peak that we've drawn. And see how much further past the triangle part of the roof that it comes. And then just like the other that I drew for you a little while ago, we come down past the edge here, and then there's the roof part of the house. So the doors, the windows, the details, the chimney, I'll do the chimney for you. All of that are details that you're going to add in just with straight lines. So now I'm going to come back again and erase some of the extra things that we don't need anymore. So we'll come down here and then we'll go across there. And all of this can be now erased. All right, and you can't see this line anymore. So we'll erase it because that's going to go past the roof there. That's all hidden. And you don't see this X or the inside of the house here anymore either. That's all hidden. So this is exactly what you'd see here, and that all would need to be cleaned up. And this is the bottom of it. All right, so the chimney is basically just drawing another box. Or if I'm going to put the tiles on the roof, they will go to the vanishing point over here as well. But the chimney, let's do that. So it's going to go straight up and down. Doesn't even go to the top of the roof. It's about here. So if I draw that line there, that's that edge of the chimney right there. And then this line here will go to that vanishing point. And it's about there. And cooperate. Straight up and down there. And then this line here follows the angle of the roof, which is just this line right here. And this one goes straight up and down as well. And this edge over here goes to this vanishing point over here. So there is where it is in approximation. You see where that is? So I'm just going to come straight back and stop there. And this one will go to the other vanishing point. So we'll just come across there like that. And that's approximately the chimney. The window will go to the opposite vanishing point. The window over here will go to this vanishing point. All right, so before I go any further, I'm going to come in, erase lines, and clean that up and go over the top of them. And I'll come back and do another section where I add the windows, the door, and start adding some of the details.